In this video, you'll learn how to take AI-generated PlantUML diagram code and use it in the CornerStone Workflow Toolkit Excel workbook. We'll start with an AI session that generates PlantUML code based on a given prompt. Once the code is generated, click the Copy button to save it to your clipboard. Next, open your Toolkit workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to display the diagram. Select an empty text box and paste in the copied code. If needed, you can modify the code and apply a preferred PlantUML theme. In this example, we're using the Sunlust theme to enhance the diagram EuroS appearance. Now, go to the CAS Toolkit ribbon bar and click the Process Shape button. This sends the code to the back-end PlantUML server for processing. After a few seconds, the generated diagram will appear in your worksheet. Finally, adjust the layout by inserting empty columns as needed to properly fit the diagram. Now that we've seen how to generate and use AI-powered PlantUML diagrams in Excel, let's take a closer look at the diagram we've just generated. This project involves adding a React UI to a data migration initiative, making it more interactive and user-friendly. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy diagramming!